Okay, so inside us, so today we're going to compare two flagships, the Samsung S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the world's best phone. So Samsung S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Battle crowns the king of big screen phones. This is the ultimate showdown where we take a look at Samsung S21 Ultra versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Many phone shoppers have been waiting for this one as it pairs the very best phones that Samsung and Apple have against each other, and the Samsung S21 Ultra review shows just how the impressive flagship Samsung has produced, and it should be for $1,199, and it records your 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display that scales for 10 Hz to 120 Hz display refresh rate, dual telephoto zoom lenses, and a huge 5000 mAh battery capacity. Plus, the Samsung S21 Ultra supports the S Pen, a first phone for a phone outside the Galaxy Note lineup. On the other hand, as you will see the iPhone 12 Pro Max review, there's a reason why Apple's phone have been number one pick on the best phone list. So it offers an amazing camera system with the superb low light performance and a Dolby Vision video recording. Plus, it offers a stellar 6.7 inches OLED display, the fastest performance around, and a sleek new design. So, which phone is best overall, and which one is better for you? This is something else. S21 Ultra versus iPhone 12 Pro Max face off. We'll answer these questions. Yeah, right over here when you go to Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, right over here, you can see it is starting price is $1,199, which is really expensive. Yeah, so right over here, you will see the iPhone 12 Pro Max right over here. Starting price is $1,099 compared to this 100 $100 less. So in this, iPhone 12 Pro Max is the winner. Okay. Then next is the screen size, 6.8 inches versus 6.7 inches. So right now for this S21 Ultra is the winner, and for the resolution, 3200 by 1400 pixels and 2778 pixels by 1284 pixels. And the display refresh rate is 10 Hz to 120 Hz. Display rate is 120 Hz is really, really good. Okay. This is 60 Hz. So in this also this is winning. And when we go to the CPU, the processor is Snapdragon 8 and A14 Bionic. So really good. And when we go ahead, we get the RAM 12 gigabytes of 16 gigabytes optional 6 gigabytes. So in this one, this winner, and the storage option is 120 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes. Even same for this, so both are equal. And for the next one, this is micro SD. No and no, both are equal for that one. So next is rear camera. Right over here, it's there. From there to here, it's like for the something like S21 Ultra. And for the next, right over there, you see the iPhone 12. And then rear camera is 100 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, and 10 megapixel, megapixel telephoto, and laser AF sensor for the S21 Ultra. Really good. 108 megapixel is really good. So this is the winner. So when we go to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto. Only three of them, but for the S21 Ultra, it is four of them. So this is the winner again. So when we go to the front camera right over here, you can see 40 megapixel front camera and 12 megapixel true depth front camera right over here for the iPhone. So that means the Samsung S21 Ultra is the winner for that also. So water resistant right over here, you can see it is IP68 up to 1.5 meters, and this is IP68 up to 6 meters. So in this wins, and then battery capacity on battery size is 5000 mAh for the S21 Ultra and 3678 mAh for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And so battery life is 11 hours and 25 minutes, and for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is 10 hours 53 minutes. So S21 Ultra wins, and the dimension is 6.5 inches by 2.97 inches and 0.35 inches. For this one, it is 6.33 inches, 3.07 inches, and 0.29 inches. And when you go to the weight, this is more heavier as it has a 4 camera setup and 8.008 ounces, and this is 8.03 ounces. And so when we go to the depth of these boats together, we can say that S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max. When you go to the price, this is something Galaxy has cut the price like it goes $200 compared to the S20, but Apple still holds the price at here. The iPhone 12 Pro Max starts at $1,099 and $100 cheaper than the S21 Ultra. It's $1199, which I told before only. So just one more time, it's staying in a sentence form. So in this, the winner is draw. Both are equal. So next one, the S21 Ultra. So here we can say which is a winner and which is a draw and which is uh, loser, like that, something like that. Yeah, S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max design. We can say that the winner is iPhone 12 Pro Max. S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max display. We can say the S21 Ultra is a winner, and the S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max cameras. We can say that when we say about the camera, I think the winner is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max performance. When we say, I think the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a winner, and the Samsung. Oh, I'm just saying winner because all the specifications seen over here on just this chart, comparison chart, and iPhone 12 Pro Max is the winner for that. And iPhone 12 Pro Max was the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in the 5G. In that, based on the testing, right? Thus far, Samsung Galaxy S21 S20 Ultra offers a fast 5G speeds than the iPhone 12 Pro Max on AT&T, and the S21 Ultra average 84 Mbps downloads, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max didn't even break 37 Mbps. Okay, so Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra was the iPhone 12 Pro Max battery life. When we talk about the winner is S21 Ultra. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra full uses of the 5000 mAh battery capacity as the phone lasted a very impressive 11 hour and 25 minutes on the battery test, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max enjoyed for 10 hours and 53 minutes. And the S21 Ultra versus iPhone 12 Pro Max software and special features. In that, iOS 14 brings a host of welcome features to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, including widgets on the home screen for the easy access. Free info includes a smart stack of several widgets in one stop. And Apple software also delivers a lots of helpful tweaks to the messages such as spam, conversation, and inline replies. So this is a winner. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is the winner for this. So when we talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus iPhone 12 Pro Max, overall winner, the points between them. Okay, so as we continue, we can say that the Apple and the Samsung have never been so close. The iPhone 12 Pro Max narrowly wins the space of with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra based on the strength of its performance and better overall image quality. The iPhone's design is also a little more durable and easier to handle with its flat edges. However, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra gets the win in some important categories. Thanks to its smoother 120Hz display, faster 5G, and longer battery life, and while the S21 Ultra costs more upfront, it's a bit cheaper if you prefer more storage. So, no matter which flagship phone you choose in this Galaxy S21 Ultra or iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max Ultra battle, you will not lose, and that's why these two phones occupy the top two spots in the best phone list. That's why I made a comparison between these two best smartphones in the world. So when we talk about the points right over here, you can see clearly. So I'm just saying it so it can be more clear for you. Price and availability 10 points. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is 7 and iPhone 12 Pro Max is 7. Design 8 and 9 respectively. Display 15 and 14. Cameras 17 and 19. Performance 12 and 15. All you can see like the out of how much it's written right over here, like 10 points, 10 points, 15 points, 20 points, like that. So, all according to that we're saying performance 12 and 15 respectively with 5G, 4 and 3, battery and charging 13 and 12. Software and special features 9 and 8, and overall out of 100 points S21 Ultra is 85 and iPhone 12 Pro Max is 87. So in this you can see that I think they're so close as to before, so they're very hard to choose. So whoever is already using iPhone as the previous the old phone, if you're trying to buy a new phone, if you're using the current phone as iPhone, you can buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you're using Samsung, then you can buy the S21 Ultra. If you have more money, you can buy S21 Ultra, or if you have less budget, basic budget, you can buy iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, thank you so much for watching. My name is John. This is Tech Insider. Catch you in the next one.